Create a new solid layer. Pick your own favorite color or use any color code you like. Apply fractal noise effect. Set fractal type. Basic set noise type. Soft linear. Add an expression to evolution. Hold Alt plus click the stopwatch. In the expression panel, type time times 150. Now the fractal will animate smoothly. Go to transform and increase the scale to make the fractal larger. Apply CC Jaws effect to the solid layer. On completion, set keyframes. First keyframe, 0. Second keyframe, 100. Select both keyframes. Apply Easy Ease and adjust the speed graph for a smooth transition. Add Turbulent Displace effect. Set amount, 30. Set size, 35. Animate the amount. First keyframe, 32nd keyframe, 825. Make sure anti-aliasing is set to high for best quality. Apply Easy Ease and adjust the speed graph. Slightly increase the scale of the solid, e.g. 132%, so that edges don't cut off during rotation. Animate the rotation. First keyframe, 0 degrees, second keyframe, minus 16 degrees. Apply Easy Ease and adjust the speed graph. Add Bevel Alpha effect. Set edge thickness, 13.60, set light angle, -25. Add CC burn effect. Set burn value, 8 final touch. Adjustment layer. Create a new adjustment layer. Apply CC halftone effect. Increase dot frequency. Animate the opacity with keyframes to add a nice transition effect. Now your transition effect is ready. Just add your own color correction CC on top and enjoy the final look.